What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Kutt. Feeling stressed lately? You're not going to believe what I found while scrolling through Amazon. These fidget toys are absolute game changers for focus and relaxation. And trust me, you're going to want to see what made it to number 1. Coming in at number 5 is this 6-pack of Fidget sensory toys for kids and adults. I've been using these for about 3 weeks now, and honestly, they're perfect for when you need something discreet. What I really love is the textured surface. It's firm but not sticky, which gives you that satisfying tactile feedback without making any noise. At just $8.99 with a 10% discount, you're getting 6 different toys, which is an incredible value. Perfect for classrooms, offices, or even just keeping in your car. They're especially great for kids with autism or ADHD, but honestly, I've found myself reaching for them during long meetings.
Number 4 is the 4-packs Infinity Cube toy, and these things are seriously addictive. I used one during a recent flight, and it helped me pass the time without constantly checking my phone. Each cube is made of tough ABS plastic and measures just 4 by 4 by 4 centimeters, so they're super portable. The best part? You can fold and flip them endlessly to create different shapes. At $13.99 for a pack of 4, you're getting each cube for just $3.50. They come in different colors too, so you can match them to your style. If you're someone who likes to keep their hands busy while concentrating, these Infinity Cubes are a must-have.
Taking the bronze spot is the Spiky Balls Stim Toy 4-piece set. These little egg-shaped fidgets are surprisingly satisfying to roll between your fingers. They're made of thermoplastic rubber that's soft to the touch but still provides that sensory input you're looking for. I keep one on my desk and find myself reaching for it when I'm brainstorming ideas. What's really cool is that they're completely silent, so you can use them in meetings or classrooms without disturbing anyone. At $13.90 for a set of 4, they're reasonably priced, and they even come in a gift box, making them perfect for giving to friends or family who might need some stress relief. Coming in at number 2 is this anxiety relief handheld fidget toy with microcurrent technology. This thing is next level. It features rockers, balls, and buttons, but what really sets it apart is the microcurrent feature with 2 light modes, blue and green. I was skeptical at first, but after using it for a week, I noticed a real difference in my focus levels. You can adjust the intensity to your preference, and it holds a charge for about an hour. At $34.99, it's on the pricier side, but the unique features make it worth it. It even comes with a wrist strap so you won't lose it. If you're looking for something more than just a basic fidget toy, this is definitely worth checking out. And here it is, my number 1 pick, the Ono Scroller handheld fidget toy. Okay, I'll admit it, the sleek design is what first caught my eye, but this fidget toy is so much more than just a pretty face. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it feels incredibly premium in your hand. The rolling motion is absolutely frictionless and silent, which makes it perfect for using in quiet environments. I've been using it for about a month now, and it's genuinely helped me stay focused during long work sessions. At $35, it's definitely an investment, but the quality and durability make it worth every penny. Plus, it's so compact you can take it anywhere without anyone even noticing. This is the fidget toy that converted me from skeptic to believer. All the links to these fidget toys are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Which fidget toy would you choose? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.